Hello guys, welcome back to a new video.
Today, as you've seen in the thumbnail, we have visited the city of Cologne. So Cologne is the fourth largest city in Germany and it has a lot to explore. So the first thing, of course, when we think about Cologne is the Cologne Cathedral, which is right behind us.
And let's explore more about Cologne. It's a beautiful city.
And we have visited a couple of places and we'll show you.
Do watch till end.
Yeah, do watch the whole video. Now you're watching the third largest church in the world, which is 157 meters height, and it has got double entrance. Now you're looking at the first entrance of this dome, and the second entrance, it's in the right side, where you can go to the top of the tallest, the head. And this resembles the top of this church cathedral, which is very beautiful and beautifully made. And yeah, you can see a lot of structures made on this particular cathedral, which looks magnificent, and the beauty from inside is very much adorable. Guys, this is a machine where we can donate money with card, actually for the welfare of the Cologne Dome. So it's like we can choose what price we can pay. It's ranging from like 1,000 euros to €1. So we can choose and we can pay it with card as well. So
There are so many sculptures and statues inside the church, which is having a very rich historical importance. So it's always preferred to have a guided tour like this when you are inside the cathedral if you want to know more about it.
now you're watching the Hohenzollern Bridge, which is world famous for its the locks which couples made for their symbol of their love, which is started by some random dude, I don't know why. And the main aim is like they look with their loved one's name and throw the keys to the Rhine River. Now you're watching the old street or old stud, but it may not look so old because it's been reconstructed after the World War II. And then you can have these are the cafes near to the Rhine River. You can have a cup of coffee watching the Rhine River and having a beautiful vibe in the evenings and all.
Even though not as big as the Cologne Cathedral, there is St. Martin Cathedral near to the Cologne Cathedral, which is also very beautiful and one of the most old cathedral in the city.
So after having a beautiful view of Rhine River, we just went to the chocolate museum. Since we are food technologists, it was very informative for us. Starting from the very base of making cocoa to making finally a product of chocolate, everything we have seen and experienced. Now you're seeing the tropical garden, which is artificially made inside the chocolate museum, and it's very beautiful. Even there they even have a banana tree. And then we have seen the making of cocoa. You can see it right now. And and every process starting from the scratch to the end of making a chocolate. So the whole museum belongs to Lindt chocolate, which is the world's most expensive and beautiful chocolates there available. And the process is simple, and you can see, it seems very simple. It's not that simple actually. So but it's very beautiful to see, and it's very interesting to know about how chocolates are made into it. So the ticket rate is around €9.50 for students, and you get a lot of chocolates for free from right from the beginning to inside. Even you get chocolates of Lindt for free.
The museum is made in a model of ship resembling the ships which ported cocoa from Africa to the European countries in the beginning. So it was a beautiful sight even above the ship or the museum, just like standing above a ship. So fascinatingly, Cologne have a perfume named in its own name. This is the Cologne perfume. We found this in the Chocolate Museum.
Cologne even have a beer on its own name, which is named as Colonish. When you're going to Cologne, do experience it.
There are 90 different fountains in Cologne, and this is known as the Ancient Mansion, which was made in the remembrance of the Gnomes who used to visit Cologne and made the cleaning work easy for Cologne people. There's a fairy tale actually. They used to come and clean the city when the people were sleeping at night, and they disappeared when a lady slipped peas on the floor to see them, and they got so angry and left the city and never came back. After that, Cologne people had to do their cleaning stuff their own.
Cologne got one of the best shopping streets, from ranging from the best brands to the local brands as well are available, and a lot of visitors visit this place every time.
I would suggest you not to miss out on the Cologne Triangle, which gives a fascinating view and a 360-degree view about Cologne. On the top of it, the ticket rate is €4, but it is totally worth. You should definitely visit this. We made use of the €9 ticket and traveled by train from Kassel to Cologne. This railway station is huge, and there are multiple connections and trains. You can even use the IC train for a fastest travel, and definitely all the sites in the Cologne city is just a walk around, so you don't need to take any buses inside. So guys, it was nice visiting Cologne. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if it will help you to visit Cologne in a better way, please support us, do subscribe, and thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.